So the last question is, draw the graphs of the equations x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and x-axis and shade the triangular region. So what we have to do in this question is, यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो equations हैं, this one and this one. We have to plot these equations on a graph. इन दोनों equations को हमें graph में plot करना है. ग्राफ में प्लॉट करने के बाद हमें कोऑर्डिनेट्स मतलब वो पॉइंट्स पता करने हैं. जब हम इन क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग जब हम इन लाइंस को ग्राफ में प्लॉट करेंगे तो इन दोनों इक्वेशन की जो लाइन बनेगी और एक्स एक्सिस की जो लाइन बनेगी, इन तीनों के इंटरसेक्शन से एक ट्राइंगल फॉर्म होगा. हमें उस ट्राइंगल के तीनों पॉइंट्स बताने हैं, उस ट्राइंगल का रीजन भी शेड करना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. पहले हमें इसके लिए इनके पॉइंट्स ही पता लगाने होंगे. सो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन हमारी x माइनस वाई प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. x माइनस वाई प्लस 1 is equals to 0. Let us first determine the points for these equations so that they can be plotted on a graph. This can be written as x minus y is equals to minus 1. X minus y is equals to minus 1. Now we have to find out the values for x and y which satisfy this equation. So इसके लिए मैंने एक ट्रिक बता रखी है आपको. जब हम x को 0 पुट करेंगे, when we put x is equals to 0, then we get the value of y as 1, and on putting the value of y as 0, we get the value of x as minus 1. So we got the points for this equation. Now we will repeat the steps again for the second equation as well. So what is our second equation? It is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. This can be written as 3x plus 2y is equals to plus 12. Now again we have to find out the desired points for x and y which satisfies this equation. When we put x is equals to 0, x की value 0 means ये वाला point गया, तो 2 6 are 12, and when we put y is equals to 0, we get 3 4 are 12. We got the points for both these equations. Now what we have to do is we have to plot them on a graph. So for the first equation, the points are 0, 1 and minus 1, 0. 0, 1 and minus 1, 0. Let us plot these points on the graph. 0, 1 is this point and minus 1, 0 is this point. Now we have to connect these 2 points. This is the equation which we are getting, and this line is for the equation x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. We have to repeat the process for the other equation as well. Now for the other equation, the points are 0, 6 and 4, 0. 0, 6 and 4, 0. 0, 6. It will be somewhere here. So 0 and 6. 0, 6 and next is 4, 0. 4, 0. So it will be this point. Again we have to connect these points. We will use a scale for the same. So we get this line. This is for the equation 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equals to 0. So इन तीनों लाइंस के इंटरसेक्शन से और एक्स एक्सिस, ये दोनों लाइंस, एक लाइन ये, दूसरी ये और तीसरा हमारी ये एक्स एक्सिस. तो हमें ये ट्राइंगल आपको दिख रहा है. वी हैव टू शेड दिस ट्राइंगल. इस ट्राइंगल को हम शेड कर देते हैं. ये ट्राइंगल, आई होप दिस इज विजिबल टू यू नाउ. What we have to find out? We have to find out the coordinates of this triangle. सो कोऑर्डिनेट्स मतलब इसके वर्टिसेस आपको दिख रहे होंगे. First vertex is this point. Let us name it as point A. Point A इसका first vertex है. This is -1, 0. Let this point be point B. This is 4, 0, and this is point C. The point of intersection, or the third point of the triangle. So ये point कौन सा है हमारा? इधर से अगर हम देखें, so this point is 2, 3. So the coordinates of the triangle so formed. Coordinates of the triangle are point A. What is point A? -1, 0. Point B 4, 0, and point C, this is 2, 3. I hope this question is clear to you. If there is any kind of doubt in any part or in any step, you can just mention it in the comment section and I will let you know the procedure. Don't forget to like the video and also please subscribe my channel.